In just 21 days, I'm going to have you painting at least twice as good as what you're painting now. Hey, welcome to the studio. Thank you for joining me. Now, have you ever wanted to paint in oils or acrylics but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've been painting for a little while and you just want to get a better grasp of the basics and get a good foundation for continuing to learn how to paint better. Well, I invite you to join me on the Beginner's Pathway 21-day challenge. The Beginner's Pathway has 4 simple steps, and I'm going to guide you through each of those to turn you into a confident, happy painter who's loving what they're painting and has the best foundation to start their painting journey. So that way you can avoid learning the wrong stuff right from the very beginning, so you've got the best possible foundation to get better and better as you go. And because you're giving me the honor of being your guide, I'm making it my mission to make these first steps for you as easy and as clear and as fun as possible. Because if you're not having fun, then what's the point, eh? So each step in the journey prepares you for the next step on the journey. And I'm going to guide you through it every step of the way. The very first step along the pathway is drawing. Drawing is the foundation of good painting, because painting is really just drawing with color. So in drawing, you're going to learn all of the basic techniques to make drawing easy for you so that you can draw what you see every time. Then you're going to learn about all the basic painting tools you're going to need to take the next step. Step number 2 is color. Now, most beginners think that color is actually their biggest problem, but it's not, it's drawing, and that's why we do that first, and then we add color. So in this step, you're going to learn how to see color like an artist, how to mix and match color that you're seeing on the palette, how to create color harmony in your work, and how to evoke different moods in your paintings. This is a really popular part of the course. Step 3 is still life. So you take everything you've learned from drawing, color, and now you're going to apply that to a simple still life. You're going to learn how to set up a basic still life with lighting and interest in your own home, and then you're going to learn everything you need to create a beautiful still life painting. Now, what we're really learning about in still life is how light and form interact to make what we're seeing. There's 6 full still life projects in this step, which start off very simple and get a little more complicated along the way. You can do all these projects in oils or acrylics. Once you've completed still life, you're ready for step number 4, which is landscapes. So in this step, you take everything you've learned from drawing and color and the form and light in still life, and you apply it to some beautiful landscape projects. Now there's 5 of those, and I take you through it step by step so you won't get lost. We start off with first snow, then we go to Chinaman's Bluff, it's beautiful river painting, and then deep into the Reese Valley in New Zealand to learn about lighting effects and atmospheric perspective. Then I'm going to take you all the way to the Grand Canyon, and we'll learn about simplifying a landscape, and then we'll go for a nice walk to the lake where you'll learn about expressive brushwork. So when you join the Beginner's Pathway, I give you a 21-day challenge calendar to print out. You pin that on your wall and you get a big fat marker pen. Each day you complete a session, you're going to put a big tick through the box for that session with a goal to complete the whole page. I throw in a couple of rest days in there as well so you don't go completely crazy, because we only want you a little bit crazy. I also give you the means to record and assess your own progress if you're a recordy, assessy type person. So I'll lead you by the hand the whole way, and at the end of the 21 days, I'll even give you some clues as to the next steps to continue your amazing adventure in painting. So I've been painting for over 30 years and teaching for over 20 years, and I wish I had had a course like this when I started out, because it would have saved me years and years of struggle, and also learning the wrong things and then having to learn the right things, and also just knowing which order to learn things in so that you're building one upon the other instead of lots of different things here and there. It's so easy now that it's all put together in a simple course like this to see how I should have done it, and I wish I had done it, but now I can give that to you. So If you'll give me the honor of being your guide along the pathway, it's my mission to make it really simple, easy, and fun for you. Now, if you've watched the video all the way to this point, I'd say you're probably here for a very good reason. So just take a minute to feel if this is right for you. And if it is, just go ahead and purchase the course, and I'll see you on the other side.